Hey everybody, this is the sun. I just wanted to make a video. I thought I'd show you the sun in his natural habitat. I'm posted up on my porch right now drinking a beer like them rednecks do. The Beast, Milwaukee's Best Light. Just sitting on my porch. I got the cat out too, so I thought I'd show you my cat. It's a fluffy cat, a fluffy gray cat. She likes to just hang out on the porch while I'm drinking beer and hanging out on the porch. Got cat food right there. This is the neighborhood. The redneck ghetto trash neighborhood. I'm the only one out here now. My brother's at work, so the Maxima's gone. Maxima would normally be parked right there. That's my old blue BMX that I don't ride anymore because I got that Schwinn Swindler now. I like to roll on that Swindler. Well, cheers to you. I just thought I'd show you the sun in his natural habitat. And I'll catch you on Moco Space.